Hey everybody, it's Brittany, your secret shopper. Today I'm doing a quick review on this 3-pack of Real Techniques makeup sponges. I was in need of some new sponges, so I went ahead and grabbed this 3-pack, which has 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and large. During this video, I'm going to be using the smallest one to apply my concealer. It's a perfect little size, get you right in those little spots that you need it to be and nowhere else. And I'm gonna go get this wet and I'll be right back. All right, so now I've got the sponge all wet, it's nice and soft, squishy. I've honestly never had a single issue with any beauty makeup sponges I've used before, so I'm sure it will do just fine. Gonna just slowly tap that in. And there you have it. Nice, evenly blended concealer on my eyes, all thanks to my new beauty blender. Again, this comes in a 3-pack. I highly recommend this product.